Hey guys, welcome back. Tonight we're going to do a quick video. Like previous times, I have not been able to get here this week to do any more of this, and I'm about to leave for a few days, so it's going to get really cold. So I'm wanting to get this tank painted tonight. Get the rest of it kind of, say, ground down, get that fuzzy stuff off of it, and I think the bottom of the tank has a little bit of rust on there, so we'll paint that too if we have enough paint. We should, I think, but yeah, it didn't turn out quite the way I wanted. I just have to give y'all a look, and y'all can make a determine on what you think I should do. But I'm just thinking about going with what we got here, and once it dries, slapping it back up underneath the rat rod and just rolling with it. Because in all actuality, nobody's ever gonna really see it unless they get really low on the ground and crawl up underneath there, because that bed lays pretty low in the back. So anyways, let me turn you around here and kind of show you what it turned out last time and what we're gonna be doing today. Now you can tell there's definitely some runs, and it just has an overall uneven look to me. I don't know if y'all can see that the camera very well, but much tire striping. I don't really particularly like it, but like I said, this is just going to go up underneath there, and we're not going to see it again. So as long as there's no rust, I don't think we're in too bad a shape. But I am going to tell somebody to drop this. This is bent like that. It doesn't look too bad. Just the rails where it was mounted, the previous vehicle was rusty, and we'll try to get all that insulation junk off of it and paint it. It's gonna be kind of odd painting it with the fuel spout, but we'll manage. I'll say that's no splinter in my hand. Good. I'm getting the fuzzy stuff off, which is what I'm going for. So we'll probably turn it this way, clean it off, spray the top, this side and this side. And when this dries enough, we'll flip it over and do the other side. So let's get some cleaning done, and then we'll put some paint on it. Alright, we got it cleaned up, about as good as we're going to get it. Kind of took a while for the cleaner to dry, but I'm only going to spray half and half so I don't spray my concrete too much. But we got this side, this side, this side, and then we'll flip it once it dries enough, and we'll finish it out. This should be done today, hopefully. So let's turn on some fans and get to spraying. I think I might bring the heat gun over here, kind of heat this top part up. That way maybe make the paint dry a little bit quicker, because I don't got very long out here. I need to get this bottom part done. Probably not the proper way to do it, but time is clicking away, so need to get this dry pretty quick. I think it's good enough. I guess we'll see. Back here, not tacky. Up here is a little tacky still. Flip it. All right. Just do a quick clean off this side, and then we'll call it good. That cleaner actually eats into that rubberizing stuff pretty good. Got a lot of that. I probably just scrub it down with that and it'll be good. We're gonna give this a couple seconds, and then I think it's ready for paint. All right, we got it done. Take it a little closer and kind of see that I didn't get all the fuzz off. Let's take a closer look at that quick. Overall, it's better than last time. You can see you got some fuzz still in there and down there, but at least it's all one color. There's no rust. We can see. So I think overall, it went pretty good. Next time we'll take it and mount it back up underneath there. I think these straps went right here and right here on both sides with some kind of bolt from over here. I want to say it was a carriage bolt. Seems a little long. It fits in there, so I think that's our bolts. I had to go back and look at the video when we took it out. It's not bolts for there though. I think we have need to get that back on there too. Got two of these. And two of these, which I'm not sure. I don't think these are them. No, I don't think these are them. Is it this guy? This guy? No. Well, I'm gonna go head back and take a look at what we did and what bolts we used. I'm pretty sure these were part of the front of the tank, and then I'm not quite sure on the, this wasn't it, this was used for the dolly. So it has to be, I'm gonna use that on dolly too. Those are transmission. We'll have to see what we can research. But I just want to say thank y'all who made it this far into the video. I know it's just kind of finishing out a tank, but something we got to do. And now it's ready to be mounted back up. I'll go and put the fuel thing back in it, and then it'll be a chore trying to get it up there and strapped in. But I think we'll go back and watch the video and see which bolts go where. I think I got a good idea of the carriage bolts, but not 100% sure. So, but anyways, next time, hopefully, we'll be finishing out the front wishbone, and maybe going ahead and just seeing if I even need it welded out or not. I may ask the guy, he's coming up this weekend, see what he thinks about if I need to weld that or not. If not, then let's go ahead and paint it and call it good. Get the front end reassembled back how it's supposed to be, and then wait on the rear end. So we'll look at that next week, and maybe look in the engine a little bit, flip it over, and look at our bearings and see if they're any good or not, and just go from there. But that kind of stuff, please stick around. I post every Monday. I'm going to try to post more often during the week as time permits, but right now it'll still be every Monday. And just want to say thank you all for your support, and if you made it all the way through, thank you tremendously. It does really help me out a lot and help out the channel kind of get out there. But we're real close to 1,000, and once we do, like I said, we'll have a giveaway and all that good stuff. But anyways, thank you again, and I'll see you next week.